Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2016 JCB PowerBoom 260T Eco. This machine is a 16-year model. It has 1,122 hours. I had 3 of these machines. We sold the first one at 1,600 hours. This one now is available for sale, and I will have one more. All the same, this one has an 84-inch OEM JCB bucket with it. We just put brand new TNT 18-inch wide tracks on it. Balance the undercarriage is 75 to 85%. It is cab heat air, it is 2-speed, it is joystick control. This one has an AM/FM radio in it. Listen, not a new machine. Machine is scratched, scraped, skin up. It's a typical construction machine, but mechanic-wise, it's in good shape. The only thing I can say negative on these JCBs that we have found, they will have some side-to-side boom play. They're not bad, but I'm just being honest with you and telling you the truth. Don't know, that's just typical of the JCB. Our other one was the same exact way. But machine runs and worked very well. These are an 84 horsepower motor. These do not have a DPF on them, and they do not require any urea. So we'll take you here in the back, and we're going to show you around, and so you can see what they're like. Coming here to the back door, this back door has a dent here at the bottom. It actually has a small tweak to it, but still opens and shuts fine. You can see that without an issue. We have serviced these machines. All filters and oils have been changed. We dropped everything in them, so we knew what we had. Again, 4-cylinder turbo diesel in these, and again, they do not require any DPF or urea in these machines. There is no regen. Block heater. Up top there's going to be your cooling package. Coming around inside, you'll see undercarriage matches both sides. The big thing with these units, they are a side entry door. Coming up front, standard 2-pin skid steer quick attach, and they are a manual quick attach. 14-pin attachment control device, auxiliary hydraulics with K-string. The glass is all good in the cab in this unit. Take you inside the cab. This unit did have a bad fan motor. The fan motor was getting weak, so we did put a brand new one in from JCB. There is 2 little tears in the seat. Side cab door is still in good condition. Everything works. These are a pilot-controlled machine. We'll go ahead and start it up here for you. So it goes through its engine warm cycle. That goes out. There it went out. 1,122 hours. You have 3 different modes of performance you can put this in. Auto idle is on. There is no error codes. Back to your hours. Now, you can choose between H pattern or ISO. This does have a hydraulically reversing fan. And then this would be for your power quick attach if you choose to put it on. Here is for your cab heat air. Air works. All the vents are in the cab. There's one little button here. This still works for your snail mode. There should be a little wee button on the top here. It's not there. Up here is for, hang on, yep, there's your 2-speed. And I'll go ahead and shut that back off. And we'll go into release this and this. That is going to be for your joysticks. There's your snail mode. And then you can see the buttons I'm moving there, 43 percentages. I'm doing that right here off of this. We'll take it back up so everybody sees that it works. And we'll click that back out. So, wiper, washer, everything there works. So, we'll turn the camera back over to Matt here. This is a very comfortable machine to run. It is pilot controls. It's easy in and out. I'm a bigger guy. You can get in and out of this machine very, very comfortably. We'll go ahead and fire it up, run it around, push through its paces. guys, there it is. 2016 JCB 260T Eco. They're a good machine. There isn't anything wrong with these machines. Actually, visibility, as far as I'm concerned, out of all of the skid steers I've sold in my lifetime, visibility is amazing in this machine. The other big thing with this machine, I will say, it has balls of power. There's just no doubt about it. There again, it's no DPF on it, no urea. Thing actually, we stripped a bunch of topsoil with the other machine. I put like 45, almost 50 hours on the other machine. They are a very, very good powerhouse of a machine. Once you get used to it, that side entry door, it's really nice getting in and out. Again, the visibility is nice. I noticed loading dump truck with it. It was very nice. You could see. The other thing, you could really get up close to the truck, and that boom reached out nice, and you give nice loading capabilities of the truck. Something else I've noticed with it, when you turn with a lot of skid steers, you're spinning in a circle, you'll find their hair unbalanced. That thing is very, very balanced. I don't know what they've done. I don't know if it has to do with the geometry, the way the boom sets. I don't know what it is, but it does spin very nice back and forth. Its weight distribution's right. I think they're a well-built machine. If you have a good dealer in your area, there's no issues there. Stevenson Equipment's our dealer here, and they've been okay to work with for parts and service for what we've needed. Again, this machine's going to have scratches, it's going to have scrapes. One thing we want to show right over here, we actually had a guy who put one up, the other one was rolled over. It's not true. This is a piece of plastic, a limb, something could hit it. It's the protector, quote-unquote protector for your air conditioning condenser and fan. This one's cracked also, just the same as all three of them were. I just want to point that out. We're honest people. We like to tell people the way it is, the truth of what something is. This one also does have auto level bucket. It's an option on this one that the other one did not have. So you can push a button in there for auto level bucket. Cab heat air, AM FM radio. The air will freeze you out. I actually had to turn it down. It has a very good AC system. And the other nice thing with the JCB, the cab will tilt forward with the boom up. You can get to a lot of stuff on this machine without being a lot of aggravation. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please understand there's that little bit of side-to-side boom play. That was just like the other one was. But if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House Machinery Trailer. We'll be glad to help in any way that we can. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.